Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert this load deformation data to stress strain data. Let me first put the test specimen information over here. So I'm going to write here test specimen information. I need to write the bar size, effective area, and gauge length. So bar size is number 3 bar, effective area is 0.11 inch square, gauge length is 0.5 inch. Let me highlight this yellow. I just want my data to be presentable, so I have highlighted the test specimen information yellow. I have added borders for the cells. Here I am going to write stress, and the unit for the stress is KSI, and that's strain, and the unit is, it's basically unitless, but I'm going to write it inch per inch. And I also want to write the strain in percentage form. So the formula for stress is load divided by the area. So I am going to write the formula here, which is equal to the load. I'm going to select this load cell divided by, and the area is 0.11. And I want to make sure that this M4 or the area cell is fixed. So I'm going to place my cursor over here and click on F4, and I'm going to log this area cell. As the load is in pounds and I am calculating the stress in KSI, so I have to divide it by 1000. So this is the stress in KSI here. I want to copy this along the column. So I'm going to double click at the lower right side of the cell, and you can see that the formula has been copied for all the cells in the column. To find the strain, I'm going to put in the formula deformation divided by the gauge length, and I have to make sure that this gauge length cell is locked. So I'm going to click on F4 and press enter. Now I want to copy this formula along the whole column. So I'm going to double click on the lower right side of the cell. So you can see that the strain has been calculated for all the data points. And to find the strain percentage, I am just going to multiply this strain with 100. And again, to copy it along the column, I'm going to double click on the lower right side of the cell. So this is my data for the strain percentage. Now to set some format for this data, I'm going to name it stress strain data for number 3 bar. I'm going to make these all bold, put them in the center, select the whole data. I like my data to be in the center, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to set all borders for my data. So now I've converted my data from load deformation to stress strain.